Good morning, students. I am Alison Orala, and today I'm gonna be your law professor. Okay, let me show you the syllabus. This is the profession, law professor. There are 4 units for this syllabus. I choose the unit 1 with the item 1.1. Definition and purpose of law. Okay, let me show you the lesson plan, please. Okay, the unit objective by the end to the lesson, a student will be able to define loud and explain its fundamental purpose in a society. Okay, my resources are EducaPlay, many videos of YouTube, my slides, and the computers. Okay. Let's start with a class. Let me show you the slide, please. Okay, now guys, good morning. Today I want to start with a little describe about this picture, right? Okay. Any volunteers that please tell me what do you see in this picture? Okay, Mela, you're the first.
I see a formal attire that describes professional and elegant clothing.
Thank you. Next, Kevin.
Okay, I see law books and maybe represent legal knowledge and expertise.
Good job. Next, Joshua.
Okay, I see the legal documents might include contracts, rulings, or reports.
So you have an idea what is about this class? What do you think it's about this class, today's class?
I think that we are going to learn about law of humans, maybe.
Good job, Mela. The next slide, please. Okay, now let's start with a class. The title of this class is Definition and Purpose of the Loud, right? So the next. Okay, the objectives for this class are define loud as a set of rules established by institutions. The second is identify the purpose of loud, such as the maintenance of order and the protection of rights. And the last one is encourage critical thinking about the impact of light on society. Okay, now we are going to start with a little warm-up. So now let's start. Which of the following best define loud? Letter A, B, or C? What do you think?
Letter C.
A system of rules created and enforced through social or governmental institutions. What is the significance of legal definitions? Letter A, B, or C?
Letter A.
Letter C.
What roles does life play in society? Letter A, B, or C? What do you think?
Letter B.
We regulate behavior and resolve disputes. Okay, click. What is one function of loud? A,
C.
B, or C?
C.
B.
B. B.
B.
Okay, B, B. Yes.
So what is the primary purpose of law? Letter
Letter
B,
A.
A.
Letter A.
letter A.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Which of the following is not a characteristic of law? Letter A, B, or C?
C.
Letter C.
C.
It is always subjective. Okay, wanna correct the answer. How does law contribute to society stability?
Letter
Letter
B.
A.
Letter
A.
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 A. A. A.
Okay, guys, good job. Good job. So now, Kevin, please, can you help me with the lecture, please? Can you read?
Okay. Introduction. Law is a system of rules created and enforced through social or governmental institution to regulate behavior. It serves several purposes, including maintaining order, protecting rights and freedoms, resolving disputes, and promoting social justice.
Okay, in summary, the law is a rule that must be always followed by all people. Okay, and laws explain how people or organizations should be behaved. There are serious consequences for people who don't follow the laws, right? Next slide, please. Okay, now categories. Melania, please, can you help me with the lecture?
Okay, categories. Laws can be classified into various categories such as criminal law, governs crime and their punishment. Civil law deals with disputes between individuals or organizations. Administrative law regulates the activities of government agencies. And the last one, constitutional law, involves the interpretation of constitutional provisions.
Thank you. About the government's crimes and their punishments, it defines behavior that are considered offense against the state or public, outlining the legal consequence for those who commit such acts. So about the civil laws, encompass a wide range of legal issues, such as contracts, property dispute, family law, and torts. About the administrative law, this branch of law governs the action of administrative agencies, ensuring the operative within their authority. About the constitutional law, this area of law focuses on the structure of government, the right of individuals, and the principle laid out in the Constitution. In conclusion of these categories, help in understanding the diverse functions of law in society, addressing issues ranging from criminal justice to individual rights and government regulation. Okay, example of criminal law. One the most common example of criminal law is the robbery, right? Robbery involves taking property from a person through force or threat of force. Okay, the consequences for this crime typically classified as a felony leading to service penalties, including significant prison times and fines. Now I'm gonna show you a video about this example. Okay, this is an example about the criminal laws. The next slide. Okay, what happens if someone breaks the law? Not obeying or doing as a law saying is known as a breaking the law. Okay, Washington, please, can you help me with the lecture, please?
Okay, what happens when someone breaks the law will depend on a number of factors, such as their age, what law they didn't obey, whether they have broken the law before. There are consequences to breaking a law, which may include fines and or imprisonment.
Thank you. The next, okay, purpose of law. Maintaining order, protects rights, regulate conduct, and the last one, promote social justice. What do you think about maintain order? Okay, it's about the laws provides framework for acceptable behavior, helping to prevent chaos and ensure a stable society. About the protect rights, is safeguard individual rights and freedoms, ensuring justice and equality for all members of society. About the regulate conduct, allowed establish standards for behavior, guiding citizens in their interactions and responsibilities. And the last one is promote social justice. Laws aims to address injustice and provide mechanisms for resolving disputes fairly. Now we are going to learn about ethical responsibilities. Next slide, please. Okay. Andrea, please, can you help me with the lecture, please? The first one, just first one.
Confidentiality. Lawyers must keep client information confidential, safeguarding any details shared during the attorney-client relationship.
Okay, Josué, next, please. Can you help me?
Okay, the lawyers are required to improve their competence, their representation, which means they must possess the necessary knowledge, skill, and preparation to handle a case effectively.
The next, please, the next slide. Thank you, guys. The next, integrity and honesty. Please, Daniel, can you help me?
Integrity and honesty. Lawyers must act with integrity, being truthful in their dealings with clients, courts, and other parties. Misrepresentation or dishonesty can lead to serious consequences.
So now we have the last one, communication. Derlis, please, can you help me with the lecture?
Communication. Lawyers must keep clients informed about their cases and respond promptly to client inquiries, ensuring that clients understand their legal options.
Okay, thank you. The next slide. Now we are going to do a wrap up in the same platform with when we start the class, right? Educa Play. What is the primary purpose of law?
Letter C.
Letter C, to
C.
mind order
C.
and justice in society. Letter C, C, C.
Which of the following best define law? Letter A, B, C, or D?
B.
Okay. What role does law play in protecting individual rights? A, B, C, or D?
Letter C. D. Sorry, D.
D, letter D.
Which of the following is not a function of law? A, B, C, or D?
B.
D,
Letter B.
letter B.
How does law contribute to social change? A, B, C, or D?
C.
C.
D. No. C.
What is one key characteristic of law?
C.
Letter C.
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 What is a common sources of law? A, B, C, or D?
Letter A.
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 What is the answer?
Letter C.
Letter C.
Okay, guys, good job. Slide, please. Okay, in today's class, we're exploring the definition and purpose of life, emphasizing its fundamental role in society. So now we have cleared the definition of law. In short words, law is a system of rules created and enforced by social or governmental institutions to regulate behavior and maintain order. In conclusion, understanding the definition and purpose of law is essential for recognize its impact on our daily life and the functioning of the society. Law not only protect us, but also reflect our values and belief as a community. It is crucial to appreciate the importance of law is fostering a just, orderly society. So now, guys, this topic was easy or difficult for you? Please show me your answers through reaction zooms, like a finger up or down, please. Is easy or difficult? Okay, guys. Thank you. The next slide. Okay, guys, for the next class, we have the title of the topic, Difference Between Laws and Rules. Thank you so much for your participation and attention.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, you're welcome.